So this is day 3. Right now we are staying at Yuksom. Yuksom is the base camp for the Kanchenjunga trek. So it's the last motorable village in this area. And right now it's 8:45. So by 9 o'clock we'll be making our way towards Gangtok. But we're planning to take the route through Tashiding. Tougher route. It's a bit of off-roading as well. So since we couldn't shoot anything yesterday, it was raining. It was a short tour of Yuksom, the last village to Kanchenjunga.
Goecha is one of the famous trekking routes in Sikkim. While trekking from Yuksom to Zongri to Goecha Pass, you can see the majestic magnificence of Mount Kanchenjunga, the highest mountain peak in India. When you finally hit Goecha Pass, you will be at the staggering altitude of 16,400 feet.
So this is it. This is the dead end. This is where the road ends. You need to go further. You need to walk. Kanchenjunga checkpost. That's the trekking trail. Oh, apparently not. That looks like a helipad. This is where the road ends. Welcome and thank you.
The lesser known fact about Yuksom is that it was also the first capital of Sikkim, and it still has the coronation throne of the first king.
Bye! So cute! I want the uniform. I want that sweater. Actually, not the skirt, just the sweater. Love the color. So this route is apparently 30 kilometers, 20 kilometers shorter. But I don't think we'll be able to save much time. So Gangtok from here is 120 kilometers, and the ETA according to the maps is 4.5 hours. So I'm assuming we'll take 6.5, including breaks. I'm sure this will get tiring. Going through such roads always takes a toll on your body. If you're able to hit Gangtok by 4 o'clock, I'll be happy. This is what this bike is meant for, this kind of road. Only thing that I'm worried about is flush.
I was wary of the weight of the bike along with all the luggage. Any slip and I was sure I wouldn't be able to bear this weight on my feet. I was silently praying to the rain gods. I didn't want to regret the decision of taking this route instead of the much traversed state highways. Luckily, the bad road conditions caught me in a bright morning mood.
Actually the sun is out. I don't want to be riding these roads in the rain. Not today. Not today. That's what I say every day. भाई रास्ता ही नहीं दिखेगा तो आदमी चलाएगा बाइक का. Alright, it's 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. and we've just reached Tashiding. So in an hour I think we've come about 15 to 17 kilometers. One vehicle at a time. It is a beautiful Briat. Where do we go? Where do we go? My love, I want. जंगल के बीच में ऐसा डूड आदमी और कहाँ मिलेगा मैं बताओ हैं? Nowhere else. #Sikkim tourism. So in Ravangla we're planning to visit this monastery. So that we will take a break. We've been riding for an hour and a half now. Probably Ravangla. How far is Ravangla from here? 22 kilometers. That means another hour. It's nice and pleasant for a ride. Warm, slightly sunny, but not too hot. Ravangla, 70. Finally, I think I'm getting the hang of this bike.
वहाँ पे देखो बुद्धा दिख रहा है, वो बड़ा सा स्टैचू.
हाँ.
We are going there.
Okay, apparently I don't know if you can see that. Altitude 2100 meters. That's good. So which way now? I'm going straight. And my wife is my navigator. As I was saying, I usually don't keep track of the destinations and the route. It's my wife who does the planning. She's the navigator as well. It's a good thing. I don't need to check my phone. I let her do all the hard work. ऐसे टाइम पे इसका भैंसापन रियलाइज होता है. So this is the Buddha stupa of Ravangla, and the size of that stupa is just, I don't have the right words, frankly. Beautiful place. And it's just 1.5 kilometers detour from your route to Gangtok, so it's actually a good place to stop. Say hi, Aarti.
Hello.
Say hi, Aarti.
Hi.
Hi. Yes, we are here.
We sat there mesmerized by this towering monument against the backdrop of mountains and effervescent clouds. It felt like the nature itself was adorning something so human.
It's all you.
Thanks, baby. Ow! So we're looking for a good place to eat. घुमाऊं? खा ही लेते हैं यार, once and for all finish करके चलते हैं. चलो भैया, थैंक यू. Right, the time is almost 1 o'clock, and Gangtok is another 71 kilometers from here. So far we look on track to hit Gangtok by 4 PM. भैया गैंगटॉक किस तरफ से जाना? यही रोड है? अच्छा वाला कौन सा? ये वाला नज़दीक है, लेकिन थोड़ा नीचे. टाइम उतना ही लगेगा ना? Okay, thank you. The person that arranged the bike for us is also trying to get the permit for North and East Sikkim. So that's what he's saying. He's applied for the permit today. Till 2nd of June, that's when our trip ends, so we'll have sufficient time. But the permit we'll be able to get only by tomorrow morning, 7:30, 8 o'clock. So we'll reach Gangtok and decide whether we'll actually carry forward for North Sikkim tomorrow itself. We'd love to do that, because that will leave us more space if we want to stay back another couple of days in Lachen or Lachem. That will give us that extra freedom. No wonder we spent 2 hours in Ravangla. It's like a landslide. गिर गए तो उठा देना भैया. My shoes. Only thing that I'm worried about is splash. बस मेरे जूते गंदे होंगे, और कोई टेंशन नहीं है मेरे को, frankly. Only thing that I'm worried about are my shoes. कहाँ से जाऊँगा यार मैं यहाँ से? इसके ऊपर से निकालना पड़ेगा लगता है मेरे को. Oh yes. Wow. Would love to enjoy the sights, but the road is keeping me really busy. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. I'm glad I'm going downhill. I wouldn't want to come up on on this road. So apparently this is a shorter route. Short and filled with its own mini adventures, I guess. Wow. I am driving 85. After crossing a town called Yangon, staying true to the pattern we'd been observing over the last couple of days, the road turned into an enticing piece of tarmac with clean and sweeping corners. I knew the Himalayan could handle it. It was time to find out if I had the appetite. Once again, it was time to shut up and ride.
पानी से डर नहीं लगता है साथ ही कीचड़ से लगता है.
Alright, so time is 2 p.m. and Gangtok is another 34 kilometers. A lot of construction work going on this route. Eating dust, I'm eating lot of dust. So right now we're at a town called Sikkim. So people sing here and come in. Refueled at Sikkim Ram. Now we take a left here to go towards Gangtok, which is another 30 kilometers.
Having gone through such an adventurous detour, we were thrown back into unremarkable but familiar roads. We were on the home stretch to Gangtok, and with that there was some excitement brewing. Excitement for the comfort in the company of friends. We partied till late in the night, and while on our way back to the hotel, I started to feel an uneasiness in my guts, a feeling which was much too familiar. Tomorrow, we ride to North Sikkim.